Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a resume in ChatGPT. Whether you're applying for your first job, switching careers, or just refreshing your resume, this guide will walk you through the steps. First of all, launch open ChatGPT application on your device to get started. Also make sure to log into your account like you normally do by entering your credentials. Now go to the bottom of the screen and get to the Ask Anything text box and then type in your prompt. You can type something like create a professional resume for whichever post you are trying to apply for. You can also write down your years of experience and anything you'd like to mention in the prompt and then send the prompt to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a draft. Look for key sections such as contact information, professional summary, work experience, skills, education, and more. If something is missing, just type in add a section for this part, just like that. Or you can also try asking for ChatGPT to make your resume more professional or formal and then send in the prompt again. And ChatGPT will then create you a resume for yourself. Once you're happy, you can copy the resume and paste it into Word, Google Docs, or Canva for final formatting. Once you're happy with the result, you can copy and paste the text whenever needed, and you can then refine or edit your resume according to your preference. That's how you can easily create a resume in ChatGPT. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.